EvAAC, evaporation-aided air conditioning. The science behind EvAAC is very simple. Air conditioners are designed around the SEER rating, Seasonal Energy Efficiency Rating. SEER testing and design is done at 95 degrees outside, 75 degrees inside. The hotter it gets, the less efficient air conditioners become. In contrast, swamp coolers, evaporative cooling, the hotter it gets, the more efficient it becomes. So if you basically put a swamp cooler around an air conditioner, you end up with EvAAC, evaporation-aided air conditioning. This is another pre-cooler that's available through the internet, and it's got this patented flapper valve on top, but with the Arizona water, that valve, it has been sticking, and it's only 3 weeks old. And then you can see that the mist just sprays straight out, and there's no filter pads on the side, and so you can see the calcium buildup after just 3 weeks on the fins. And so we're going to try to clean that with some vinegar and water right now, and then we'll put some filter pads around it. Pre-cooling the air going into an air conditioner to increase the efficiency is not new. The first patent on record is from 1936, and in fact there are over 44 patents for evaporation pre-cooling, but none of them have been designed, tested, and built in Arizona for Arizona. We have conditions that are unique. Arizona water is one of the things that's unique. We have water that it's hard to describe unless you've tried it yourself. Another thing unique about Arizona is our definition of hot. Here it's 114 degrees in the shade of a tree. And if we back up and take a temperature reading on the decking down below, we'll see that it's 130 degrees, 129 degrees. So an air conditioner designed for 95 degrees is working way hard at 114 degrees. So we pre-cool the air. This is EvAAC version 16. We learned a lot on versions 1 through 15. Like how to make a frame cheap and fast and easy that straps to the existing condenser so that the filter pads just clip in. That makes the filter pads easy to remove. And the filter pads we now know are critical. We found through testing that this is the best filter pad. It's a very porous outside that catches and distributes the mist, and a polyester liner that keeps any water droplets from continuing on through into the fins of the compressor. And then it's a vinyl frame that in the mobile home industry has a 15-year warranty. Every EvAAC system comes with a calcium filter and a pre-wired irrigation valve, because those valves have been in production for 20 years. It's the most popular valve in the nation. Those valves are designed for handling big water flow and big calcium problems. And then it's pre-wired, so it's very easy to install into the wiring control circuit. It's low voltage, 28 volt circuit, so that the valve opens every time the air conditioner comes on and closes every time the air conditioner goes off. And then we also include orbit mist line, extensions, auto drain valves, and custom mounting clips. We've done an amazing amount of work to make EvAAC efficient, simple, and effective. So EvAAC sprays 2.5 gallons of water an hour over the outside of some collection dispersion filters, creating 2 tons worth of pre-cooling. We're always encouraging new EvAAC users to test their own system. The video on this website shows a 35.73% savings. More importantly, test your own system. This form is on the site. Follow the instructions on the test video. See what your actual results are. EvAAC, evaporation-aided air conditioning. The simple, effective, efficient way for Arizonans to reduce their air conditioning costs. And as a byproduct, every unit saves the energy equivalent of 2 barrels of oil.